Let us see one question on how do you calculate the written down value. Following assets are owned by Growth Company Limited as on 1st April 2012. You are required to calculate the written down value using the following data. So there are assets which are given to you. Their written down value as on 1/4/2012 is given. The rates of depreciation are also given. Following assets are acquired and sold during the year. So you acquired some asset and you sold some assets. Building, these are the acquired one, these are the sold one, and the rate of depreciation on this is 10% and whatever it is given. Now if you remember, how do you calculate written down value? Written down value is what? It is equal to opening value plus asset acquired minus asset sold. Depreciation is how much? It is the prescribed percentage into, or actually we don't need to kind of calculate the depreciation at this stage. We are just calculating the written down value. So written down value will be equal to opening value plus asset acquired minus asset sold. Right? Now, even for that, what you need to do is you need to classify all these assets into blocks. So let's say the first block is building. Right? And the rate of depreciation on this is 10%. How much is the opening value? 3,40,000. Right? The other building have a different rate, so I'm not just touching them right now. Then asset acquired. Is there any building which is acquired during the year which has a depreciation of 10%? So if you look at this, the rate of depreciation is 10% and there is a building which is acquired for 40,000. Is there any building which is sold on which there is a depreciation of 10%? Sold are these three. These two are building. Here the rate of depreciation is 10%. So this is sold. 1,50,000. So what will be the written down value? It will be opening 340 plus asset acquired 40, 380 minus 150, 2,30,000. The second block is building, which is this one, which has a depreciation rate of 100%. Opening value 3,60,000. Is there any building which is acquired which has 100% depreciation? Building 100% depreciation 60,000. Have we sold any building with 100%? The answer is no. So the total will be 4,20,000. Third is building 340 depreciation 5%. Building 5% block 3,40,000 is the opening value. Anything acquired? No, the acquisition is all done. Sold? Yes, 5%, 80,000. So nothing acquired, sold 80,000. Written down value will be 2,60,000. Actually, this is the value on which depreciation is going to be charged. From this, if you reduce the depreciation for the year, you will get the written down value. Then fourth is again building, which has 10% depreciation. Right? So this building actually should have been added over here. It's my mistake. Or let's say this is not building. This is furniture. Right? So you have a block of furniture, 10%. Opening value is 2,50,000. Right? 10% depreciation. Anything acquired? No. Anything sold? No. Closing value is 2,50,000. Plant and machinery 20%. Opening value 2,80,000. Acquired during the year 0. Sold 60,000. 2,20,000. Now once you basically apply, so this is the closing value. Okay. Closing value. 2,30,000, 4,20,000, 2,60,000, 250 and 220. I have just noted down these values. This is building 10%, this is building 100%, this is building 5%, this is furniture 10%, this is plant and machinery 20%, right? Now on this closing value you will calculate depreciation by applying this rate to this value. So 2,30,000 into 10% is 23,000, 420 into 100% is 420, right? So this is the depreciation. 260 into 5% is 13,000, 250 into 10%, 25,000, 220 into 20%, 44,000. Once you reduce this value from this, you will get the closing written down value. So this gives you 197, 0, 247, 225 and 40, 180, 176, right? So these are your closing written down values. So how do we do this? We took the opening value, we took the asset acquired, and we took the asset sold. Closing value for calculating written down value is opening plus acquired minus sold, right? Once you get these values, you apply the respective rate of depreciation to get the closing written down values.